In this video, I will show you how to make an item that always sells, which can be made from leftover wood like this. Hello, I'm Allison. Welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming ideas. The wood I'll be using today is all pine. Here, we have two pieces of board measuring a little over 45 centimeters in length and 20 centimeters in width. I will also use a part of this wood that was taken from a pallet. It measures about 60 centimeters in length and 4 by 4. Here, I will cut both ends to square them off. The final length will be 44 centimeters. I will also cut this piece to 44 centimeters. Next, I will run everything through the thickness planer to clean and standardize the thicknesses of these two pieces. In the next step, I will make some markings. I've set the combination square to 2 centimeters and will mark it like this. On this side, and on this side too. This piece will be a square measuring 3.5 centimeters. I will make the same marking on the other side, here and here. Still with the 2 centimeters on the square, I will mark the corners of the boards, like this, and like this. The same will be done on all 4 corners. I will repeat this on the other board as well. At these points, I will drill using the hand drill and this 7mm bit. Here, I will drill using the 15mm Forstner bit. On this piece, I will also make 2 more markings. I will turn it like this. With the combination square set to 8 centimeters, I will mark the ends, like this. And like this, I set it to 17mm to mark in the opposite direction, at both points. Here, I will drill using the 3.5mm bit with the countersink of 8mm. The depth of the countersink will be approximately 20mm. Notice that the drill holes went all the way through the piece. They will be used to attach the item to the wall. In the next step, I will sand everything using the orbital sander and a 150 grit sandpaper. Now, with the router and this 28mm corner round over bit, I will round most of the edges, except for these 2. And these as well. And 2 on the other piece, at the back where the countersinks were made. If you're new to woodworking, I have an important message for you. In the video description, I've left links to tools, equipment, and resources that will help you build amazing projects. Click and check them out after this video. Now, I will do some manual sanding, especially on the edges, using 220 grit sandpaper. Next, I will paint it by applying a wood sealer, and along with it, I will add this special dye for varnishes and sealers in the brown color. I will apply it using this electric sprayer, as is customary. After some time, the sealer dried, so I will proceed with the assembly. I will add 2 pieces of 6mm sisal rope, each measuring 2 meters in length, to the project. To prevent the ropes from fraying, I applied masking tape at the ends. I took one of the ropes and will make a knot 40 centimeters from the end. I will use the tape measure to ensure the measurement is exact. With the measurement right, I can now tighten it. I will repeat this on the other rope as well. Now I'm going to place this part like this. Here is where the edges have not been rounded. I will pass the other end from where the knot was made through this hole until it locks on the knot. Again, I will pass through the other hole. Here I will make a knot with 40 centimeters as well. The same will be done with the other rope. Now I'm going to use 2 pieces of board that measure exactly 30 centimeters in length, and I will place them this way. They will serve to provide spacing between the 2 pieces. I will place them near the end. Then I will also place this piece upright. I will pass the end of the rope through the hole. After this, another knot will be made. Now I will apply pressure until this knot locks onto this piece. Then it's just a matter of tightening it. The same will be repeated on the other end as well. This process will be repeated on the other side at both ends of the rope. Now I will remove the boards and place them here. I will fold the end of the rope and pass it through the 15mm hole that was made in this piece. I will apply pressure until it locks at the knots, and then the rope will be tied. I will do the same on the other side. The top end looks like this. It can be cut or left as is. Well, folks, here is the finished work. It's a small decorative multi-purpose shelf. This is a type of item with great sales potential. If you liked it, click like, subscribe so you don't miss the next videos, and share this content with friends who enjoy woodworking. Leave your comment with your opinion about this work. It will be an honor to respond to you. Feel free to check out other amazing projects that will appear on your screen. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.